Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Toyota Highlander engine air filter. First, gather your new filter and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Now, open the hood and locate the large, rectangular air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine compartment. It's typically a black plastic box. Next, you'll need to open the air filter housing. Depending on your Highlander model, you'll either unclip several metal fasteners around the housing's perimeter or unscrew a few screws. Once these are loose, carefully lift the top half of the housing. You might need to gently maneuver it to clear any hoses. Take a moment to see how the old filter sits inside. Now it's time for the replacement. Gently pull out the old, dirty air filter. You'll likely see accumulated dust and debris. Before inserting the new one, use a clean cloth to wipe out any loose dirt from inside the housing. Then, take your new filter and carefully place it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely, just like the old one did. Finally, let's close everything up. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reattach all the clips or tighten the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the housing is completely sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. You've successfully changed your engine air filter. Start your vehicle to ensure everything sounds normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.